If you're looking to build your wealth, well, now would be the best time to start investing. Everything is at steep discount. S&P 500, Nasdaq, the whole stock market is at 15 to 20% discount. So if you're looking to start investing but are not sure where to start, then you should definitely take a look at ETFs. Here are 3 ETFs which will cast a wider net with every dollar you invest. And I'm literally buying this every single day. VTI, Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, trading at $190 and they pay out a dividend of 72 cents each quarter. They have $285 billion assets under management with major holdings in Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Tesla, Facebook, Nvidia, JP Morgan and Berkshire Hathaway. They have an expense ratio of 0.03%. Next is VEA, Vanguard FTSE Developed Market ETF, trading at $40 and they pay out a dividend of 20 cents each quarter. They have $105 billion assets under management and they have major holdings in Roger and Spotify. Their expense ratio is 0.05%. And the last one is VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, which is trading at $350. They pay out a dividend of $1.31 each quarter. They have $267 billion assets under management with major holdings in Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Alphabet, Meta, and Nvidia. They have expense ratio of 0.03%. Drop a like on this video and follow for more.